Howdy ho, everybody. Just got done with the kitchen cabinets. We're done with that. We go to the second floor, because we need to place some fixtures in our master bath. Our master bathroom is looking kind of naked right now, wouldn't you say? I'm going to take my room tag. I'm just going to drag him down just a little bit, get him out of the way. I'm going to come over here to this bathroom number 2. I'm going to highlight the toilet. I'm going to click on Create Similar so I can zoom in. I'm going to push the space bar a couple of times, or just once to get him rotated, and place the toilet right there in the toilet room, or in the potty closet, or in the water closet, as some people call it. Zoom back out. I'm going to highlight my tub, create similar. Now this universal no is showing up because a bathtub is a wall-based object, so it won't show up until you actually hold your cursor against the wall. So place it, even though it's facing the wrong direction. And I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to select that flip state. There we go. I'll click cancel, select my bathtub, use my move command. I can either click on this or I can just type MV. There is no command prompt. You don't have to push enter. Move it from that corner of the bathtub right to the wall. Something tells me this window may need to be modified, but we'll find out about that in class when we get to it. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is zoom in and highlight this vanity cabinet right here. Zoom back out, create similar, push the space bar once to get him rotated in the right direction. Now, stick with me, guys. This is going to sound really strange when we first do it, but it'll make sense. I want 4 of these things in here, and we're going to modify them in multiple ways. I think I only have 2 of them. Yep, I only have 2. Make some copies in here because I want a total of 4 cabinets in here. And yes, I know 4 cabinets are all overlapping. That's okay because we're going to fix it. We're going to fine tune these things and we're going to change them up to do exactly what we want them to do. The first thing I do is I'm going to select this 36-inch cabinet, this double cabinet, and I'm going to change this one to a 24-inch cabinet. I'm going to select the next one, and this is a 30-inch cabinet. Select the third one. It's a 24. Select the fourth one. It's a 30. Okay, so there's 4 cabinets here. We have a 24, a 30, a 24, and a 30. Now we're just going to use our move command to get these things moved into the proper place. I'm going to zoom in a little so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to select, use my move command, start at that corner. If your constrained shows up, you can just uncheck it so you can actually move it right into the corner right there. So there's the first one. Here's the second one. The third one. Because I think I've got this sizes correctly. Hope I do. We'll find out. And the fourth one. Ew, that's not right. I thought I had that right. For honest and for true. Oh, goodness. Well, you know what? Nice thing about Revit doing what Revit does is I can take both of these 24-inch double cabinets, and I'm going to change their type because they don't go as small as I actually want them to. Edit type, duplicate, 21 inches, change the width to 21 inches, and click OK. There we go. I'm going to take both of these 30 inches, and as it turns out, both of these 30-inch cabinets are actually supposed to be 24. So my mistake. 21, 24, 21, and 24. And I can use my align tool to make these modifications a little bit quicker. So my align tool, I align to the wall, I move the cabinet. I align to this edge of the cabinet, I move that cabinet. I'm aligning to that edge of the cabinet, I move that cabinet. I align this edge to that edge of the cabinet, and I'm moving that edge of the cabinet. There we go. That's doing what I wanted it to do. Guys, sorry for the confusion, really. Okay, the next thing I'm copying, is I'm going to select my vanity sink, and I'm going to select my vanity countertop. I'm going to use my regular copy command. This is not copy paste, this is my copy command. And now I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to snap. It's kind of hard to tell. I'm snapping to the midpoint of the front edge of the cabinet. Zoom in, I want to put this the midpoint of the front edge of the 24-inch cabinet. Then I'm going to use my copy command and go from middle of the 24-inch cabinet to the middle of the 24-inch cabinet, which in this case it actually looks like it's the building grid. Go figure. And just like we've been doing, I'm going to highlight my countertop, drag him till he intersects with the wall there. But since we have two countertops, or we've got a continuous countertop, we're going to fake a countertop with two sinkholes by just extending these so that they touch. Anytime, and when you see this show up, this is just something that happens in Revit. That's the room object. Now that we've placed them, they tend to get in our way sometimes. It is what it is. It's not really a big deal. And I want that same 1-inch overhang right there. So click on the Annotate tab, Detail Line. Yes, I'd love to save the project. Thank you. Start at that corner, go out 1 inch, all the way across. Select the countertop, use the drag on the end until it intersects like so. Then I can select those two lines and delete them. All right, guys, that is all the fixtures we need for the master bath. Next video, we'll be placing elevation tags, and then we'll take those elevations and we'll place them on the sheet. So see you guys in a minute.